Welcome back to Supercar, the place where real car upgrades meet real-world tests. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss a new video. Today's video is all about how I spent $2,000 on Dacia Duster accessories and what really works. Let's dive in. The Dacia Duster's rugged charm and practical design make it a top choice for off-road enthusiasts. I've tested numerous Dacia Duster accessories to improve its performance on challenging terrains. My $2,000 investment in upgrades taught me valuable lessons. Some accessories completely changed my driving experience, while others didn't live up to the hype. I've put everything through its paces, from tough skid plates that saved my undercarriage on rocky trails to ECU remaps that boosted acceleration. This hands-on review will guide you through the best upgrades for your vehicle. You'll learn which 2024 Dacia Duster accessories and aftermarket options are worth your money. Best Dacia Duster accessories under $250. Budget-friendly wins. My search for budget-friendly Dacia Duster accessories led me to some amazing finds that offer great value. These affordable add-ons have boosted my Duster's functionality without costing too much. Smartphone integration system, modern tech for less. The Dacia Media Control system turned out to be one of my best investments under $50. The system has a sturdy docking station built right into the dashboard, unlike expensive models with 8-inch touchscreens. It turns your smartphone into a complete infotainment system. This budget-friendly alternative quickly proved its worth, even though I had doubts at first. The Media Control app gives you complete vehicle information through the onboard computer connection, quick shortcuts to apps and contacts you use often, radio control plus access to personal playlists, and navigation features using your phone's existing capabilities. The system has thoughtful safety features like steering wheel controls to change tracks and adjust volume. One feature I really like is the forgotten phone alert that tells you if you leave your device in the dock. Weatherproof floor mats, practical protection. The high-edge rubber floor mats are a must-have Dacia Duster accessory to protect the interior. These specially designed mats cost about $65 for a full set and have saved my carpets many times during off-road adventures. You'll notice a big difference between simple mats and these premium rubber ones. The raised edges effectively trap mud, sand, snow, and spills and keep them from ruining the carpet underneath. This feature is invaluable, especially when you travel with kids or pets. These floor mats stand out because they're made specifically for the Duster. They come with anti-slip backing that keeps them firmly in place, tough construction for rough conditions, simple cleaning, just rinse off the dirt, and a stylish Duster logo that matches the interior. These mats become essential protection for your investment if you live somewhere with tough weather. Dash cam installation safety on a budget. I've found a great dash cam for my Duster at around $30. The real savings came from learning to install it myself instead of paying for professional help. The installation looks much cleaner with direct hardwiring to the fuse box instead of cables hanging from the cigarette lighter. A $15 installation kit helped me achieve a factory-quality finish. The setup process was simple but satisfying. The cable runs along the headliner, down the window pillar, and connects to the passenger fuse box. This setup gives you a clean look without hanging cords, power without using the cigarette lighter, easy removal without damaging factory wires, and a professional look like it came from the factory. Finding the right fuses for constant and switched power was the trickiest part. A piggyback fuse holder made the connection safe without risking electrical issues. The dash cam brings peace of mind on busy streets and unknown roads. My modest 30-pound camera captures license plates clearly in daylight, which works well for most driving situations. These three accessories offer excellent value for Dacia Duster owners on a budget. Each addition makes the car better in ways that I've grown to appreciate over time. Off-road Dacia Duster accessories worth every dollar. My Dacia Duster needed solid protection and recovery tools to go off-road. I've tested many off-road Dacia Duster accessories on muddy trails and rocky terrain. Here's what works best for serious adventurers. Skid plates, everything in underbody protection. A complete skid plate system turned out to be my best first investment. It protects key parts during off-road trips. After looking at many options, I picked a 2.5mm steel underbody protection kit that covers the engine, gearbox, radiator and front bumper for €148. This tough shield has saved me from costly repairs many times. If you want to protect your Duster, you have several options based on what you need. Engine and gearbox protection starts around €122 for 2mm steel plates. Full underbody protection packages range from €622 to €722 depending on the model year. Premium aluminum options with 6mm thickness offer better protection at €412, but they do cost more. My first rocky trail showed the real difference between steel and aluminum skid plates. Aluminum is stronger for its weight, but steel plates work well enough at half the price. The powder coating on good skid plates keeps rust away even after lots of mud and water exposure. Recovery gear that saved my adventures. You'll get stuck sooner or later when pushing your Duster's limits. My recovery kit has been worth every penny as insurance. The lifeblood of my recovery setup is a Hussar 4,500-pound synthetic rope winch made for the Dacia Duster. This €300 compact unit fits behind the bumper nicely and pulls hard enough for most situations. This winch has pulled my vehicle out of spots where driving skills alone wouldn't have been enough. A good recovery kit needs more than just a winch. My must-have gear includes tree saver straps for eco-friendly winching, soft shackles to avoid dangerous metal pieces flying around, and a shovel to clear obstacles. These accessories cost about €100, but are worth every cent in tough spots. If you're thinking about recovery gear, note that recovery boards should be your go-to solution when stuck. They're safer and simpler than gear that needs tension. You should buy these before getting a winch system. The Snorkel System is my most complex Dacia Duster upgrade, but it's great for water crossings and dusty conditions. You'll need good technical skills and special tools like a 13mm diameter metal drill bit and a drill bore for 73 to 75mm holes. Here's what the installation involves: taking off the front left wheel and plastic liner, making a 73 to 75mm passage hole above the oil tank, drilling mounting holes with the template, hooking up the snorkel to the air intake case. This tough installation changed what my Duster could do. Before the snorkel, water crossings were off limits. Now I can drive through water that would normally kill the engine. The higher air intake gives the engine cleaner air in dusty conditions, which helps the filter last longer and keeps performance up. The installation tested my mechanical skills, but €250 was worth it to make my Duster much more capable off-road. Pick these accessories based on your off-road needs. Skid plates protect you on all terrains, recovery gear gives peace of mind for adventure driving, and a snorkel system makes sense if you face water crossings or very dusty trails. My 2024 Dacia Duster's interior upgrades have changed my daily drives way beyond my original expectations. The results amazed me after I shifted my focus from performance and exterior modifications to creating a more refined cabin space. Seat upgrades from simple to premium feel. The stock Duster seats worked fine but weren't comfortable enough for long trips. I invested in premium leather bronze edition seat covers made for the Duster 3, which cost €185.60. These covers improved the cabin's look and comfort level dramatically. The variety of options caught my eye. Budget-conscious buyers might like the Lion Series seat covers at €155.80, while the premium leather Tampa covers provide good value at €142.80. The comfort difference between factory upholstery and these aftermarket options is nowhere near comparable. You can install these covers in about 2 hours without special tools. They fit the existing seats perfectly with no loose spots. The premium options work with side armrests, so you retain all the functionality. These seat upgrades do more than look good. The material resists stains and wear better, which suits adventure-loving Duster owners. The extra padding has also helped reduce my fatigue during extended road trips. Tech additions that modernized my driving experience. The 2024 Duster's standout feature is without doubt the U-clip attachment system. This clever 6-point system lets you mount various accessories in the cabin, including smartphone holders with integrated wireless charging, LED lamps for cabin illumination, multifunctional cup holders, and headrest attachments for rear passengers. The smartphone integration with the new 10.1-inch Multimedia Touchscreen stands out. This system connects wirelessly to Apple and Android devices and provides live traffic information and over-the-air map updates. A 7-inch digital driver display adds a modern touch to the cockpit and shows driving information in a clear, customizable format. Sound enthusiasts will love the 3D Arkamys sound system, the most important upgrade from previous Duster generations. The system delivers better sound quality without needing aftermarket changes. The U-clip induction smartphone charger, priced at €38.90, surprised me with its usefulness. It eliminated messy cables while keeping my phone charged and ready for navigation. When paired with the multimedia system's wireless mirroring features, it creates a continuous connection that makes you forget the Duster's budget-friendly nature. So there you have it. I spent $2,000 on Dacia Duster accessories, and now you know what's worth it. From rugged off-road gear to sleek interior tech, these upgrades help turn my Duster into a truly capable machine. Which upgrade caught your eye? Would you spend $250 on a Snorkel? Or go for sleek leather seat covers instead? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe to Supercar, and hit that bell icon for more real-world reviews and upgrade guides. Thanks for watching. See you in the next adventure.